What if I told you there's a type of money that exists only on the internet? No banks, no middlemen, just pure digital currency. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. But where did it all begin? Let's take a journey through time and uncover the fascinating history of cryptocurrency. Before Bitcoin, there were several attempts to create digital money. In the 1980s, cryptographers started exploring ways to make online transactions secure. One of the earliest ideas was DigiCash, created by David Chaum in the 1990s. It was private and secure but never gained widespread adoption. Other attempts like eGold and Hashcash also showed promise but eventually failed due to security and regulatory challenges. Then in 2008, everything changed. A mysterious person or group, under the name Satoshi Nakamoto, published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a Peer-to-Peer Electronic Cash System. It introduced the idea of blockchain, a decentralized and secure ledger that records transactions. In 2009, Nakamoto launched Bitcoin, and the first ever Bitcoin transaction took place. Fun fact, the first real-world Bitcoin purchase happened in 2010 when someone bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. Today, that's worth millions of dollars. Bitcoin's success inspired many new cryptocurrencies. These alternative coins, or altcoins, aim to improve or offer something different. In 2015, Ethereum was introduced by Vitalik Buterin. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum allowed developers to create smart contracts, self-executing contracts with no middlemen. Soon, thousands of new cryptocurrencies were created, each with unique features and purposes. Some became popular while others faded away. Cryptocurrency has seen massive highs and painful crashes. In 2017, Bitcoin reached an all-time high, then crashed. The same happened in 2021. Governments started paying attention, leading to regulations and debates on whether crypto should be controlled. Despite the ups and downs, crypto technology continues to evolve. With NFTs, DeFi, decentralized finance, and central bank digital currencies on the rise, the future of cryptocurrency is still being written. And that's a quick look at the history of cryptocurrency. What do you think? Will crypto be the future of money, or is it just a passing trend? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing content. See you in the next video.